So I just got these side skirts a couple days ago, and we're gonna get them on this bad girl. This is before, and this is a rough idea of with them installed. So I think for the rear, I'm gonna have to stretch it a little bit. I might have to heat it up and try and stretch it. I don't know how well that's gonna work with fiberglass. Fitment up front's pretty good, but it's just that rear that I'm concerned about, so I guess we'll see. I also wanted to point out that there were a couple spots that I had to spot sand just because of how the imperfections were. So over here there was a lot going on. Right there, I don't know if the camera will pick that up, but it's kind of like spider webbed a little. There was a big streak of something there. There was some textured stuff down here that I kind of smoothed out a little bit. And over there was a little rippled. But I'm gonna go ahead and paint these and then go from there. I got the skirts painted. I maybe want to do one more clear coat, but as you can see, it's pretty much about the storm here. So if I want to hit it with one more clear, I'm going to hurry up and do that. I'm going to do that and then relocate them in the garage so they can cure overnight. So I'm super stoked I'm able to get them in here and kind of like dry and cure overnight. Unfortunately, oh wow, that scared me because I thought that was like super bright, but it's just a reflection off this. I mean, that's the bottom, so it really wouldn't matter. I mean, shading looks weird in here because of the lighting and everything. All in all, I'm just stoked I was able to do this with the little bit of sunlight we had because it's supposed to rain all weekend. So this will give the chance to dry, and then I'll be able to mock them up and mount them this weekend and hopefully install them this weekend fully. So these are all painted, and now it's time to put them on. I think I'm going to save cutting these out for a different video.